Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. We are in a Cobh tonight and I will walk around the city to show you how beautiful this spot is. Absolutely beautiful walk around the marina where is lots of boats. Also one of the attractions is Spike Island. It's kind of prison, little like American Alcatraz. But now it's really too late, it's around 11 o'clock in the night and I just decided to stop in a Cobh just for the moment to see how this place looks by night, because I was here a good few times but never on the night time. It's beautiful, very small, clean, very quiet, very friendly. We have some Titanic museum here and a hotel where the guests stay last night in hotel until they die on the Titanic, unfortunately. And we have a lot of beautiful buildings, beautiful architecture, lights, streets, everything. It's absolutely stunning. I was just quite surprised because now you cannot see it because it's very dark, but on the top it's a cathedral, and cathedral look absolutely stunning. Also, I drive to the Cobh by street with the houses. The houses looks kind of similar like in San Francisco. They have a multicolor facade and they look really stunning, but now it's too dark and you cannot see that how I supposed to show you. But next time we will come in the daytime and I do like really nice tour around Cobh to just show you all details, and I will visit the Titanic museum one more time. I think I filmed this long time ago, but I don't even remember right now. Lots of beautiful shows windows and the Titanic symbols everywhere, and the names and surnames of the people who live there and die on Titanic or just build Titanic, or everything what is with Titanic. You can see another sculpture about Titanic, but definitely worth to visit when you are in Cork. That's the place where you're supposed to go because it's absolutely stunning. Thank you very much for joining me for the walk by night in the Cobh, and see you shortly in another vlog.